What's up everybody and welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna do a quick video taking a look at the LasFit all-weather floor mats for the 6th generation Toyota 4Runner. I'm working on doing a review video of this TRD Off Road with the hybrid engine, and here are a nice brand new set of LasFit floor mats to go into this SUV. Take a look at the link down below for LasFit mats for your own vehicle. I'll have everything linked, and we have a discount code for all of our viewers. We run these in a lot of our own family's cars, and everyone likes them. The quality, the fitment is exactly what you would want to get. So with that said, let's take a look at what LasFit has to offer for the newest 4Runner. So we have the front and middle seats. So you're gonna see that nice design with the front ones with this large lip all around it. It'll lock into place just like factory. We have a single piece for the entire middle row, and then these are gonna be the backs for the backs of the middle row seats. So you got a nice blend, and there are other configurations available from LasFit. These are gonna be a nice upgrade over standard. Now, this one just has the carpeted floor mats. They look cool with the logo. However, they're not really covering all of the interior. So a lot of the fabric carpet around this mat is just gonna get caked with dirt, especially with an off-road. You're gonna be hitting some trails with this, and these mats aren't really gonna do you any good to keep your interior clean. So let's go ahead and install these. So with them, of course, you can just unlock the factory clip. These are just gonna pop right out. And as you can see, just look at that, the difference between them. There's a lot of extra coverage LasFit is offering when you go all weather. So nice design over factory. You can take these caps off. That's where you're gonna get access to then lock these clips in. So from here, we just literally pop it into place, get the corner out, and look at that. Perfect fit every time. Now this, of course, sometimes, oh, there we go, not too hard. Sometimes they're hard to get off, but if we just do that, I guess, lock it, and then we can cover it, which is quite nice. So with them locked, you're not going to have them sliding. With the texture, the grip that these have, they're not gonna slide. And with this cap, you're not gonna get dirt all in there. It covers the backs really well, and it covers the door sill perfectly. So that looks fantastic in here. That is awesome to see. Next up, let's do these seat backs. So you're gonna have these two Velcro ones. They have Velcro on the backs, and then they have these straps on the top. So from here, you simply just line it up, and that is it. Fit perfectly. These are gonna then go around the headrest, and you can tuck the plastic part into the underside. But with that, you can then just tighten it up a little bit and tuck that in here, nice and hidden. So that is a nice design to it. Same goes for here. We'll just tuck it all underneath the headrest. So pull it from the center, and there you go. So that is that. We'll reach around for that one. So once again, super simple. Just line it up, and there we go. Moving on to the rear floors, all you get is these little dinky ones. Not exactly gonna do much for you. I'll just leave them in for the sake of the video. But this one is massive. It's gonna do a fantastic job covering all of the carpeting, the entire floor now, versus what Toyota gives you with those carpeted mats. So, not too hard. And we will have to open the door, get it under that door sill, and there we go. It's gonna fit nicely. Of course, it's a little high with the carpet still there, but as you can tell, that is gonna do a great job, way better than those factory mats covering that whole back seat. Lastly, let's just move on to the driver. You're gonna get the same hooks in it, this nice durable rubber, and these large channels to really make all the dirt and debris stay in the floor mat. So once again, unlock them. They come out like nothing, and this will slide underneath the pedals. It's also gonna cover up the dead pedal, which is a great feature just to keep it all cleaner. And then line it up, popping these off, and line up those locks, lock them into place, recap it, and we are looking good with these LasFit weather mats. So definitely a nice way to keep your beautiful, I mean, this is a $63,000 4Runner. These things are sweet. They don't cost a little bit of money, so a good chunk of change, and these LasFit mats are gonna keep you covered. So take a look at the links down below to get some LasFit all-weather floor mats for your Toyota 4Runner as well as other vehicles.